scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Climate questions get easier when you track direct evidence, not guesses. And this one points cleanly to the local effect best supported by the passage. The passage says 2 non-native predatory invertebrates may be colonizing Elkhorn Slough because the water was too cold for them 3 decades ago, so warmer ocean conditions fit that trend. Next, connect that evidence to climate change. If warming makes this area more suitable, then species from warmer regions can expand northward, increasing local survival and reproduction there. That matches a direct local prediction. Ocean warming favors population growth of non-native species as their habitats shift northward, so option A is supported. Well done! Option A, scan now. Trap, rushing past direct evidence. Rule, trust the passage and check each step before picking the prediction.